Be honest with yourself. If your iPhone battery drains quickly and the device feels slow for no clear reason, then the problem is often not in the settings. The problem is very popular apps that run all the time and quietly drain your device's resources without you noticing. This video is not attacking apps, and it's not telling you to stop using them. It simply shows you when an app is no longer necessary and what the smart alternative is. Facebook. Why is getting rid of it a smart idea? Constant background activity. Content updates and notifications even when the app is closed. Noticeable battery consumption. The best alternative, open Safari. Go to facebook.com. Tap the share button. Select Add to Home Screen. This way, you still have Facebook, same account, same content, without draining your device's resources. Instagram. Why does removing it make sense? Continuous loading of photos and videos, automatic background refresh, power consumption even with light use. Practical alternative. Use Instagram through Safari, the same way as Facebook, or open the app only when needed, then close it. If you can't delete it, at least go to Settings. General. Background app refresh. Turn it off for the app. TikTok. Why does it drain device resources, high-quality videos, autoplay, heavy load on the processor and battery? TikTok is not the problem. Constant background activity is. Alternative. Use TikTok from the browser or delete it and reinstall it only when needed. Many people actually do this and are comfortable with it. Google Chrome. Why is it not the best choice on iPhone? Higher battery consumption, tabs running in the background, continuous syncing. The logical alternative, Safari. Lighter, faster, and designed specifically for iOS. Steps, open settings, apps. Safari. Default browser app. Select Safari. Snapchat. Why is it not always necessary? Constant activity, filters and camera running in the background, power consumption even without direct use. Solution. If it's not essential in your life, delete it. If it is important, use it only when needed. A simple rule. If an app is not a core part of your day, keeping it active all the time has no benefit. This video is not a call for blind deletion. If an app your work depends on, or you need it daily, keep it. But if it's just a habit, your battery and performance are paying the price. Now it's your turn. Write in the comments, which app here can you never delete, no matter what? Share the video with anyone whose battery drains too fast, or who feels their iPhone is slow for no reason. Subscribe to the channel because the next video will show you how to reduce any app's resource usage without deleting it. Control isn't about the apps, it's about how you use them.